Let's walk you through the TechMan dashboard, which is designed to give you a clear overview of everything happening in your garage. There are three main views: month, day, and calendar. Each one gives you a slightly different perspective, helping you easily manage bookings. Right now, we're looking at the day view, which is split into three main sections. On the left, you've got your booked column, which is where you'll find your date selector. This always defaults to today, but you can use the arrows to move forward or back, either by a single day or a whole month. There's also a handy Today button that instantly brings you back to the current date, no matter where you've navigated. Just below that, you'll see your tallies. These track key service items like MOTs, services, and courtesy cars. They don't just show how many of each service you've got booked for the day. They also link directly to specific jobs, so you can see exactly where those numbers come from. Further down, you've got your hours tracking. The system automatically calculates your total available hours based on your technician's working times, including any breaks. You'll also see a live tally of invoiced hours, the total work booked for today, and the number of hours still available to sell. This means you can instantly see if you're overbooked, underbooked, or right on track. Below all that is a list of new jobs booked for today that haven't yet arrived on site. Each entry shows you the vehicle's details, customer name, allocated time, and any relevant tally markers. If you click the magnifying glass icon, you can quickly preview the job, update its status, assign a key tag, confirm customer details, or even record a payment. Once a vehicle arrives, you can simply drag and drop its job card into the Work in Progress column in the middle of the screen. This is where you'll track all ongoing work, broken down by job status. These statuses are fully customizable, so you can set them up to match your internal workflow, including assigning different colors to make things easier to spot. As the job moves through your process, you just drag it from one status to the next, keeping everything updated in real time. When a job is finished, it is moved to Work Complete. Once invoiced, it will show under Awaiting Payment along with any outstanding balance. And finally, on the right side of the screen, you've got the Technician column, which shows all of your available configured technicians. Switching to the month view, you get a bigger picture of your bookings. It works much the same way as the day view, but without the Technician column. You can hover over any date to see a quick breakdown of tallies and hours, and if you need to book something in for a future date, just click the book icon and schedule it straight away. You still have full visibility of ongoing work in the Work in Progress column, and you can continue dragging and dropping jobs between statuses as needed. Then there's the calendar view, which gives you a more visual way to manage your schedule. You can hover over time blocks to see more details about a job, drag and drop labour units between technicians, and allocate work that hasn't yet been assigned. Your job status colours will also be visible in this view, giving you a clear sight of the jobs booked. This view also keeps you connected to all the key information from the other dashboards, including tallies, available hours, and navigation tools to help you move through the calendar quickly. Across all three views, you have access to other useful features to help keep things running smoothly. The registration lookup is your go-to tool for quickly finding vehicle details such as previous job history and creating new jobs or estimates. You can also access Auto Data and Haynes Pro for technical data, repair times, and service schedules, helping you plan work more efficiently. The tyre lookup feature is accessible at the top here. It's a quick view of your tyres in stock. And for parts, you've got direct integration with Europcar parts, GSF, and Napa Auto Parts, so you can check live stock and prices and even place orders straight from TechMan. With all these tools at your fingertips, your TechMan dashboard makes it easy to stay in control of your workload, keep track of jobs, and manage your technicians more effectively. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.